Hi guys, this is Tina. Welcome back to my channel. So I'm here to bring you a very quick preview, or a trailer if you like, of a new little thing that I have got coming up on my channel. Basically, I'm going to be calling them Tina's weekly workshops, and they're going to be weekly workshops for mass making. So hopefully kind of building your stash and your ephemera pieces a lot. And hopefully in the process you're going to be using up scraps and, you know, some of your book pages and your sheet music and your, you know, supplies and things like that. So I'm going to run the workshops, you know, here on YouTube, obviously, you know, for everyone to be able to tune in. And hopefully I'm going to start them by saying what we're going to be making and, you know, the supplies that you're going to need. And we're going to do them, they're going to be hopefully running only between, you know, 30 minutes to 60-minute sessions. They're going to be once a week. Every Tuesday I'm going to endeavour to upload the workshops, and they're going to start on Tuesday the 23rd of July. Yeah, so hopefully, you know, it's going to be something that we can all, you know, just get stuck in and really build our ready-made ephemera pieces. Obviously, you know, the method of making is going to be bulk making. So, you know, we're going to make a whole variety of things. This is, you know, just a few that I have made so far here. And, you know, this is just, you know, a few weeks worth that I have, you know, been filming ahead. And obviously I have a whole bunch of other ideas and things for future episodes. So depending on how well this goes down will depend on how long we continue running this. I mean, it would be fantastic if it's well received. But of course, by the nature of bulk making, we're just going to be making repeats of the same item for, you know, half an hour or an hour. So I'm not sure how well received these videos are going to be. But, you know, part of the comments for the giveaway, I requested ideas for, you know, for journals, for videos, for digi-kits. And one of the requests was, you know, how to build up ephemera, how to make ephemera, how to kind of, you know, more pockets and things like that always needed. So I just thought this is killing two birds with one stone. We are obviously building our ephemera, you know, ready-made supplies, and we're using up stash and scraps in the same process. And I'm hoping that, you know, experienced crafters and journalers, they may want to tune in kind of just once a week. You know, the way I'm viewing it is a boring 1 hour of crafting once a week, but a very productive one, because although it's very boring, I'm just going to be on film chatting with you guys and then hopefully achieving quite a bulk of items ready made at the end of the workshop. And then for newbies, you know, who are just literally growing their ready-made pieces and their, you know, their pieces to fill their journals, hopefully it's going to be a good way for you to see some extra tips and things like that, and obviously build your ready-made pieces to make your journals. So that's kind of just a preview really of what's coming. And as I say, it's starting on the 23rd of July, Tuesday the 23rd of July, and going forward I'm going to, you know, hopefully do this every week on a Tuesday, upload the video, and it will just be, you know, between 30 minutes and an hour of mass making. So I hope that you're going to join me. I do realise that it's going to be not the most exciting videos, but, you know, as I say, they're hopefully going to be really efficient and really kind of productive. So, yeah, hopefully you're going to join me on the 23rd, and then, you know, on Tuesdays kind of going forward from there. So thanks very much for tuning in, and I will see you on the 23rd. Thanks then. Bye.